Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. Today we are the 18th of May and we are currently 6:54 p.m. 18th of May 2025. All right, so I marked up on the monthly chart over here all the fair value gaps. Oops, that's all the fair value gaps. These two haven't been tapped into, but we did sweep these relative equal lows over here. Let's mark that as the sell side right here. We swept the sell side, made our way back up, long wick, and we closed within the previous month's range. Now, that being said, over here we might close this month above this bearish fair value gap, which is going to become an inversion fair value gap, but there is still 11 days left to the month, so we still have time. Let's get down to the weekly. On the weekly, we swept over here. We left a fair value gap. Okay, good. Over here, we left a fair value gap. Over here, we have a big volume imbalance. There's a bunch of things at this certain level. Volume imbalance. And over here, we pass through a in a bearish fair value gap that's going to turn inversion. That has turned inversion because this candle closed above it. So this fair value gap turned inversion and going to be using it as support. Let's put this one level above. Visual order, bring to the front. Oh well. So we have that over here. Volume imbalance combined with inversion, fair value gap, and a monthly fair value gap. This is a monthly, so here we'll put 1M, 1M, FVG. Good. This is 1W inversion. And this is 1 week volume imbalance, VI. Like that we know what we're trading in. As of right now, the previous week stopped at the closed at the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. This is lagging so much. I don't know what the hell's going on. Well, gray. So yeah, consequent encroachment, closed at the consequent encroachment, and gapped lower at today's open, Sunday open. I don't see anything else on the weekly for now. This could be also possibly used as a breaker. Or is it this one? The last down candle. No. The last up candle before, okay. Before breaking these lows. Once we pass these highs, we're going to use the last up candle over here as a breaker, as a zone of support if we pass these highs and continue higher. Now let's go down to the daily. Daily, you see it's a couple days now. 1, 2, 3 in a row that closed at the consequent encroachment of that last SIBI bearish fair value gap at the highs. Over here we have, wait, did we mark that? That top one? I don't think we did. No, this is a weekly. 1 week FVG. Let's go down to the daily. Hello. Oh, there you go. So now the daily fair value gaps that we can identify is this one, this one, and these ones below. It's going to be turned inversion because we passed it over here. Might use it as support to come back up. We have that. We have this one. That's a fair value gap. This is a 1-day inversion. And this is another over here. Is there a volume imbalance there? No, there's not, so we use the wick. One day FHG. So those are the levels that we have as fair value gaps. We also have this order block right here. It's starting to get annoying. Come on. Okay, that's a 1-day order block. 1-day OB. So that's pretty much it for the higher time frames. I'd like to go down on the 4-hour, but I'm going to use a different chart for this. This will change. We'll rename this to top down, top down 1. So MWD for month, week, day. Save, and now we'll make a what's it? Open layout. Let's take the rest. What's this setup? Yeah, let's take the rest and we'll do this with this. We'll rename this top down for 115. Great. So let's go on the 4-hour. Okay, so 4-hour over here. We have one fair value gap. Fair value gap. Thank you. This one. And this one. So these are 4 hour. For each. We're doing this together. So if you guys have the time to do this together with me or at your own pace by watching my video, be my guest. But I like to take my time, enjoy my Sundays top downs. For our FEG. Good. So that's done. Over here, I don't understand why I see. Oh no, that's the NAS. Sorry, wrong chart. Give me one moment. That was the CFD. Um, Trading. Canvas. Okay, so my bad, everyone. The NQ over here. So now we're trading there. Nothing over here. We got one fair value gap over here. I really don't understand what the hell is going on with my charts. They're tripping balls. So we got this bar right here for HFEG, and this one over here. Only two of them instead of three. Let's go check on the bottom candle over here. See if there's a volume imbalance. No. Okay, good. They are tripping. Go here. All the way to next Sunday. For our fair value gap. Next up. Do we have any inversions that we could play around? Yes, we do. We have this one. Let's stretch it out to the right. Wow, an inversion paired with just a regular fair value gap. So this is an inversion. Let's see. That rally. Just tapped consequent encroachment. Didn't pass. Came back in and left away from there. So this will mark them as 4-hour inversions. What's going on for H inversion? good. Over here we have just a regular fair value gap. Bullish fair value gap. Another bullish fair value gap over here. And over here is a gap. I like to put my gaps in like a fib retracement, but with the quadrants. Let's put the middle quadrant in red. There you go. The middle, I mean the 50% retracement in red. Okay, so over here for our FVG, and right here we have a 4-hour FVG. And you know we're gonna do it this one, just stretch it out a bit like that. We have them. It's not too crowded over here. I think that's enough for now. We don't even need to look. We have relative equal highs up here. I don't think we even need to go down to the 1 hour, but we can buy side. It is a possibility that people start late, like distributing their positions, their longs from here, from down here. Might see some distribution. Let's on to the 1 hour and see. So over here on the 1 hour, we just have extra precision. It's so beautiful. Look at this, that little 4 hour fair value gap. Look at this. What a beauty. What a beauty. Right to the tick. Now we lost everything. Okay. By doing this, it just adds a degree of precision to your trading. Like, yes, you know that you're going into. Okay, this is starting to break my balls. Ball buster. So as I was saying, it adds a degree of precision to your trading. Yes, you know it's going into a 4 hour fair value gap, but then where is it going to go in that 4 hour fair value gap? You have possible options, right? And you want to know where you're at. Just give me one moment. I'm just gonna reload this page because it's going nuts. Berserk. Yes, 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. After that, we have this one. I don't know why I just did that and just dragged it, but 1 hour fair value gap. line them. 1H, nope, HFVG. And it's still doing it. Okay. And then we have this one. Okay, well, I guess we lost it. Let's do it again. H VG. So there you go. That's the possible places that we could start stalling within that 4-hour fair value gap. Maybe turn around before the consequent encroachment at this 1-hour fair value gap. We don't know. That's what we're going to find out this week coming. As far as targets, I think these equal highs are going to be nice, and this the first 4-hour on our way up over here. 4-hour. You know what? Let's look at the order blocks too. This is nonsense. The chart is bugging. So yeah, I'm gonna just mark this order block out. I'm sorry everyone, it's just lagging so much. So order blocks are in green. Order block. Order block. I'll take these two. And I don't even need to do the like put 1 hour because all the green ones are order blocks. 1H. So those are the order blocks on our way up. Bearish order blocks. And then this is our bullish order block over here. So yeah, I doubt it's gonna pass past this zone. And you see it just got bought up at the top of that bearish order block. Of that bullish order block, sorry. "23 minutes in, this is gonna be my longest top down." So right off the order block, we bounced and started changing structure over here. Closed above here. Let's mark this gap with a fib over here. Okay. Bouncing around, stabilized above the 50%. Left some relative equal highs. Took these lows by a couple of ticks. And we're probably going to close the gap by the end of Asia. So yeah, that's pretty much our pre-market or not a pre-market, our top-down analysis. If we take a step back and look, most of our projections are to the upside, but we didn't ignore the downside. A couple of fair value gaps and inversions below, and most of the targets are above. So a break below this, I mean, we're going to start looking for a break below this low, we're going to start looking for some targets to get in long. right here at the beginning of this 4-hour fair value gap, which aligns with this wick over here. And I'm going to use this as a discount wick. I will use this as a discount wick, top to bottom. And when it's going to come back down in there, I won't want to see it go down below the 50% of that discount wick. So that's it for the top-down analysis, Sunday's top-down. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. I don't keep a bias of where I think it's going to go. I let the market show me every day, because if I step in with a bias, then I'm going to probably have a skewed vision of where I think it's going to go, and I'm not going to give up on that idea, and I'm going to get burnt. So I value equally the um, entries lower as well as the targets higher. Have a great day, everyone. Like and subscribe, and catch you guys tomorrow, 9:30 a.m., where I drop my pre-market analysis, and 9:30 a.m. for my live. Have a great day, everyone. Ciao.